Good way of repairing something if it's broken. You see that's trying to fall off there. Prop it up. Put the phone down, I'll take the lid off the glue. Obviously that's super glue I'm putting on there. But that's not what I come to tell you about. What you do, you take strips of paper or tissue. Can't do this while holding the phone. See if I can get that in there. I need to hold the phone. Yeah. There, turned the phone off by mistake, but you jam some paper in and put super glue in. Jam more paper in, super glue. I was going to glue a bit on the back, but I noticed a motor bearing is there, so I won't go anywhere near that with super glue. I'll jam the motor up. But you see what I'm doing is I'm just putting strips of paper. I've already fixed it before with strips of card. That red is just card, bits of card cut up that I've glued on there. You do the same with wood, and there's one I've also repaired because they break there. They're quite fragile there. And I think this one actually is all right. Yeah, you can see where it's broken there, and I've just glued bits of card, super glue. You layer it up like fiberglass, and it makes it strong.